Hi, I'm Dumisani, and I'm presenting to you my value proposition as a leader and my leadership manifesto. Given today's organizational challenges, the organization faces a whole new set of problems, and this calls for a different style of leadership. For example, we're facing terrorism today, we're facing natural disasters, we're facing technological advancements happening at a rapid rate, so there's rapid change. Therefore, that means the organization has to be a learning organization, same as the leader. It has to be a learning leader. The leader can't stop learning. And while we can learn from each other, no one can be successful by trying to imitate another. Therefore, that calls for an element of authenticity. So I propose being an authentic leader who's transparent, and that is important for building relationships within the organization. And a leader achieves results by influencing, and you can't influence without effective communication. So therefore, effective communication is a requirement. Now, why effective communication? Because that's how you translate strategy into actionable items or activities that gets results done. Because at the end of the day, the obligation of the leader is getting results. Now, getting results does not mean getting results at all costs. One has to now consider social implications, and that presents a dilemma. And that dilemma is taking ethical decisions. How does one lead by taking ethics into consideration? That means one has to consider the environment, and one has to consider the consequences of their decisions. And if not, we face a challenge of what we see in the likes of KPMG in today's world, where there are some unethical decisions taken in some circles or centers or clients, and then this comes back years later to dent the reputation of the organization. Such leadership is not sustainable. So that means culture is important. The type of culture that the leader sets up in, or the environment that the leader sets up, is important. It has to be empowering to the employees, and secondly, it has to be a safe environment, safe psychological environment, where employees are free to bring in their creative thinking and problem solving. And that's the only way to be innovative and stay ahead of the competition, especially where we have a globalization. So that means with the world being a global village, the competition is rife. And so this is the winning type of leadership that I present to you. In recapping that's authentic leadership, effective communication, change management, and the right culture that supports the strategy, especially in the face of competition.